Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add two-step verification in Gmail. So, let's get started. First things first. Open your favorite browser. Then search for gmail.com. Once it is opened, click on the top right corner profile button. Then click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Security section. Then swipe down and you will see two-step verification option. Give it a click. Then click on Turn on your two-step verification. Then select your country. Then enter your phone number. Then it will send a code. Enter the code. And your two-step verification will be active. And that's how you add two-step verification in Gmail. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.